We've all seen them. Boats we might call cars, and cars we might call boats. But by and large, cars are cars and boats are boats, and their engines must be operated and maintained accordingly.
A lot of people look into their engine compartment and see an engine that's very similar to the one in their car, but they couldn't be more different. To meet strict environmental regulations and prolong the engine life, it's imperative to use the engine oil that's designed for their engine.
The demands placed on today's high-performance marine engines are extremely harsh. This puts even greater demands on engine lubricants. That is why the National Marine Manufacturers Association has worked with marine equipment manufacturers, oil marketers, and additive companies to set lubricant specifications. These specs provide performance standards to meet the extreme demands placed on four-stroke marine engines. Oil and additive companies work together to develop highly engineered lubricants to specifically meet these stringent specifications. These highly advanced oils are not only effective, they're essential. This is why many marine engine manufacturers require the use of FCW or FCW catalyst-compatible certified oils to maintain their warranties and ensure that the proper protection and durability are provided. It's that important.
One of the major differences between car and boat engines is the tremendous load that's placed on marine engines. Just to get a boat moving forward, it has to plow through the resistance of a wall of water. It'd be like driving your car around with a snowplow attached to the front. And even when a boat gets on plane, it still operates at very high RPMs, heavy loads, and often runs for great distances with a wide open throttle. Unless you are a race car driver, you're probably not driving your car around with the gas pedal pushed to the floor.
We see a lot of engine maintenance problems that could have been prevented by using the proper oils. FCW and FCW catalyst-compatible oils prevent a lot of the corrosion and oxidation problems that we see.
I want to make sure I'm using the right oil to protect my investment, even more so my family and friends. I don't want to be stranded out there in the water because I made a bad choice and didn't choose the right oil to protect my engine.
There's no walking home if you're stranded on your boat. These NMMA certified oils can be the difference between a strong, smooth running motor or being stuck on the water.
FCW and FCW catalyst-compatible certified oils also take into account the intermittent way boats are used. You don't typically drive a boat every day like you do a car. And in cooler climates, where boating is seasonal, the damage that can occur from just a boat sitting around can even be greater due to corrosive nature of the boat's operating environment. NMMA certified oils are designed to protect against this potential destructive element, offering a level of corrosion protection well beyond what's required of passenger car oils.
It's also important to understand that the gasoline you buy these days, especially if you trailer your boat, can have a high ethanol content. This has a tendency to grab and hold moisture, which amplifies the corrosive condition of the boating environment. Fortunately, FCW and FCW catalyst-compatible certified oils are engineered to handle these challenging operating conditions.
Boat and marine engine manufacturers take great pride in designing equipment that can be enjoyed on the water for many years. Proper care and maintenance for a boat engine is a must. So is using only specially formulated and certified four-stroke marine engine oils. These oils are easy to spot when you are shopping. Just look for the FCW or FCW catalyst-compatible logo on the package. It's one of the simplest, yet most important things you can do to protect your investment and to ensure a safe and reliable boating experience.
Remember, even if your car happens to be a boat, your boat is not a car. Don't treat it like one, and it will treat you to years of great times out on the water.